Welcome to the Ursa Mini Menu walkthrough. To power on the camera, open up the LCD screen, and underneath this you will find all your buttons, including the power up, menu, iris, focus, record and playback. The great thing about Blackmagic cameras is that the screens are interactive, so you can change values like f-stops and shutter speeds just by touching the screen. To access the internal menu, which includes the record format features and codecs, hit the menu button on the body of the camera. Here you can see that we are now in this menu and we can select the different record formats. Now these cameras do record in RAW, but we recommend that you actually go for a ProRes 422 and probably drop it down to HD. Whilst 4K is wonderful, you have to have a 4K monitor to watch these things, and it's gonna make your computer scream. There are two XLR points in the back of the camera to take microphones, and you can control their values here. Your editor will love you if you can label all of your clips on the setup. Format the card, go to the bottom of the LCD screen where you see your record time. You'll need to hit CFast card and then exFAT. To format the card, hold the button down for 3 seconds and it will erase everything for you. So recap, always record ProRes 422 444 1080p. To get your media off the camera, make sure that you use the card reader, which is located in the bag. If you do accidentally record in RAW, you will have to transcode these files using Vinci Resolve.